This is an example of some of the fun and creative solutions you come across when you are fixing houses. This is the drain for a washing machine, a laundry. And it has a tight situation up here for getting pipes to it. So what you see there is a braided about 1.25 inch hose that they're running over here into the 2-inch P-trap. So not especially the proper way to do it. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to fix that. And then the drain for a laundry is supposed to be 2 inches, so we do have a 2-inch P-trap. And then we have a reducer here, taking it down to 1.5 inches with an 1.5 inch standard 90-degree elbow and a 1.5 inch compression collar for like a kitchen sink with the white drain pipe going into it. So I can see why they felt they had to do that, because of the tight space crossing over that 2-inch pipe, but there are still ways to do things. So we're going to take a look at this and try and figure out a fix. And
what
so
are you doing?
The
You
pipe,
talking to me?
well, close enough. The pipe here, it actually looks like, okay, I guess it does have proper slope on it, but then it also has, oh, that's nice. So it's got this other pipe here. Is that the vent, and a vent? Yeah, so I'm just looking at this here. There's your 2-inch P-trap for the laundry, and it's got about 2-inch straight pipe above it, and then it converts to an 1.5 inch with a 1.5 inch 90 going into a sink compression coupler for the white pipe, and that's what they have that 1.25 inch braided clear pipe coming into.
Okay, what do we need to fix it?
Well, that's a...
Why don't I go get some paper and you can rattle it off?
Yeah. Okay, so that's what we have here, and that's not going to work for a laundry. If it was a laundry draining into a sink basin, then it could be an 1.5 inch pipe, but it's just a regular stand pipe, and so you're not supposed to have a laundry going into a pipe like that. Okay, so we're going to figure it out. Okay, Dave and I have been working on this one for a while. We'll call this episode Dave and Jeff versus the Abominable Plumber. And what we had to do was, if you remember from earlier pictures, there was a plumbing box in here that was mounted below the drain basin of the laundry. So we had to get rid of that so that the laundry wouldn't siphon out as you're doing the wash. Then we discovered that they had put 1.25 inch vinyl pipe down through the floor into a P-trap under the floor, which is unacceptable for modern plumbing standards. So what we've done is we have put a vent here, and we come down. The P-trap is 21 inches below the laundry connection, and it goes into a 2-inch pipe with the vent coming down, and then it goes down below the floor. And so there you get the whole picture of what we've done here. Some of the challenges that we've had in this are, there is an electrical conduit running right behind the pipe. And so fortunately it's deep enough in the wall that we were able to put the pipes right next flush with the wall, and that will, at least we were able to get the pipes inside the wall. All right, let's go on down under here and take a look at what we did beneath. But first, this is the vinyl pipe that they were using for the drain. There is the P-trap that was below the floor, and this vinyl pipe just stuck into an 1.5 inch, more or less a kitchen sink compression connection. So we eliminated that, and I will show you what we did downstairs here in the crawl space. I love crawl spaces. Everybody loves crawl spaces. All right. Okay, so the old vinyl pipe came down through here. And that P-trap I showed you up there came across here, down, and over to connect into that 1.25 inch vinyl pipe. So what we did was we cut out, there was a T here and here, so we cut that out. This is the vent pipe, so that we put a long elbow here, and it just fit where we removed the old sanitary tee. So we maintained our vent, which goes over here, and we cut this section of straight pipe out here that just happened to be the perfect right length for a 2-inch sanitary tee there. And what we did was the pipe above comes down through the floor there. You can just see the pipe up through the 4-inch hole, and it comes down into a 90-degree elbow and across to another elbow, and then down into another 90-degree elbow here, and then 29 inches of pipe straight across into the T where it's vented again, and out the main pipe. So we have a very good fix for the Abominable Plumber's original installation. So there you go. There is always a right way and a wrong way, and we like to do the right way. And you see we have slightly more than 1/4 inch per foot of slope on the pipe, which is fine, and you can see the slope in the vent pipe above that too. So we're retaining all of our proper pipe slope. So yeah, this is a much better installation now, and there you can kind of see the bigger picture of what we did here. Let me try to focus that. There. So that is it. That was the fix for the Abominable Plumber. Okay, well, Dave and I are going to go and barbecue now. And just as a reminder, this was the work we did yesterday for the shower upstairs. We have the shower there. This is the P-trap and the waste arm, and there is the vent for it over there, and then it just drains on out. right down to the main pipe. Okay, and let me run up and I will show you what we have going on with the shower stall. Made some great headway in the shower stall up here too. Oh, yeah, and this is the... Did she bring that? Or was that here?
I cut that thing off the end of it.
Oh.
I cut this off.
Oh, okay.
And it's set up for 2-inch. I think it's gluable.
Okay, yeah. Well, I think this might pop out. I'm not sure.
Well, it has to be cut out.
Yeah, but okay, well, good. And this is the plumbing box that was in the location. And there's nothing wrong with that plumbing box. It's old, but almost the same as a new one. Maybe even actually better, because it looks like the plastic on it is thicker. So in here now, you remember we were doing the shower stall. So this is a Dick's custom shower base. And we have our metal or plastic curb fastened around the shower, what the hell do they call that? Threshold. Now I can't remember. The curb of the shower. So we will put a thick, dry mortar paste into that, and that will build the curb out, ready for tile. And we have everything in here is all Durocked out and ready to go. We've got a 4-inch can light in the ceiling, connected to a ground fault circuit interrupter, and it has a LED shower light lens that will go on it, so it is a safe thing for in the shower. This is the drain for the shower, and you can see the black outline under the shower pan, and that is a black butyl rubber. We did a leak test 24 hours, and the leak test passed, so no problem. We've got all of our Durock here. We just have one board of Hardy Backer up there. I prefer Durock or Wonder Board, cement board in showers, and Durock or Hardy Backer, I like that for floors. Durock or cement board for wet locations. Hardy Backer for other locations. It's just the cement board works better in wet locations. Here's the shower valve. We've got that all set up. So this will be nice. It's a narrow shower, but because we have this area in front, it feels bigger than it is. And there will be a 24-inch sink basin here. So we may show you that in a future video. There's the shower valve here. Get a focus. And underneath, you see the PEX pipes coming up, going into PEX fittings under the shower valve. And this is up to the shower head. And I like to put our PEX pipe inside of a sleeve when I'm going through a transition of wood here like that. And so we have metal strike plates here and on the other corner for protection against screws and nails. And that is that. So, okay, that is what we've got going here. We're going to put 1-inch insulation there, cement board on the back, and then a cement board on the sides, and then we'll build out a ledge and turn that into a shelf for shower, shampoo, conditioner, soap, etc. Okay, that's our video for now. Dave's adding another light over the laundry center here, and another light over the bathroom sink, and then that third light in the shower, and then there is the fan light for the bathroom itself. Okay, so there you go. Another day done.